Dang it!
Miss Ayase,
I'm concentrating!
I'll fight that thing. Let the curse take me.
You want to do what?
If it's an alien, I'm not scared of it. If you let the curse take my body over, but not my mind, I'll have the strength to fight.
Holding your curse back ain't easy. I barely even know how to use my power.
I know if my head's clear, I can control Turbo Granny.
I don't know if I can do it right.
Just try it. Miss Ayase! Hurry! Hurry, hurry, hurry!
I'm surging with power now. Feeling pretty gloomy, though.
Whoa! You changed his personality!
My head's clear as hell, but... Yo, I'm bummed AF.
Why are you talking like that? Stop it!
Yeah, sorry. I'm an awkward guy, yo.
Don't ever say that line again, you hear?
I don't know why I'm alive. I'd be better off dead, yo.
Stop talking like that! It's pissing me off!
Back in a sec. Not sure I'll survive, but yo, whatevs.
Hey, dummy! Look out! It's attacking!
Damn, I dodged without even thinking. Turbo Granny powers rock, yo. But I'm still bummed.
No way! I didn't even see him move!